Welcome to
the Christmas Spectacular!
I wish we had a greener fire.
Grandma, we can. Just follow these easy steps.
Okay, so in this video you're going to need a DVD of the Yuletide log, a TV, a DVD player, no product placement, and a fireplace, and possibly a Haley. So the next step is to have your TV in the fireplace like so, along with your DVD player. You want to take the disc and set your DVD inside. And last but not least, you have your fire, complete with a Haley, reading a book. And that's how you make your holidays greener.
Yay!